Review all the products you want with the honesty that you need. I did a video talking about how ice cream novelties don't actually melt because of what they're made with, and that video brought so many of you joy. So I decided that I'm going to make my own at-home ice cream sandwiches and see if I can actually make them tastier. So I bought this ice cream sandwich maker on Amazon for $20. Let's test it out and see if it's worth it. It's made of silicone and the directions say that you need to fill up the brown part with brownie batter. They do give you a recipe or you can just use your own. I used a Halo Top box mix. It was actually a hell of a lot harder to fill this perfectly than I thought, but technically you could overfill it and then after it comes out of the oven, cut off the excess pieces. After it came out of the oven for 10 minutes, it says that you need to put it in the fridge and have it cool to room temperature. So while I waited, I opened a box of undelivered mail packages, and that's coming next week, and y'all are not prepared for what was inside of that box. Once it cooled off, it said to put the ice cream inside. So I filled it up with some generic Target vanilla. There's actually a lot more ice cream that went into each one than I thought there would be. But then the worst thing happened. I read the directions and it says you're supposed to put it back in the freezer for an hour. I didn't wait an hour. I waited a good like 20 minutes and they were very much still soft. And then this is after waiting a couple hours. Again, they were still soft and a little bit difficult to get out of the box. They are super cute and my God, they were so much more delicious than just generic ice cream sandwiches. The cool thing about this is that you can make your own outside. So if you wanted, you could do a cookie outside or a different type of brownie, and then you can do any kind of ice cream on the inside. Just know, kind of similar to making your own at-home ice cream, this is going to take a while. So don't get your kids all excited for it and assume they're going to be eating it a couple minutes later. But I did like this, 7 out of 10.